Right, I just see if I get a bolt for that. I don't have any Joe. Let's get started tomorrow. Me Black and Decker. I get a few of these wee drills and they're that small and handy for taking off door straps and handles and stuff. I've had that a few years. So, hole drilled. Let me get a bolt on there. What? Back to still. Right, got a bolt on. A washer on the back side, a washer on this side. Grind away the paint to get a good earth, and that will be earthed to the van, and this part will go straight to the battery. Now 230 volt, 230 volt in the back of the van. Finally got it all set up. I'll give you a quick run down through and what I actually done here. So what I've done is I've run the cable in through here, right in through. I've put a fuse, an inline fuse here, run across here and round here. Put this here on to protect any rubbing. Connect up to the battery, and then what I've done is the cable comes out in here. I've run the cable the whole way down here and below here and up here. You can see the cable in there. The cable then comes out here. I put conduit on it to protect it. Runs right along here. I've put in an isolator master switch here from the engine bay to here. Don't have to do it, but I put one on anyway. It means it cuts the whole system off. If I ever need to maintain this system or do a bit of maintenance on it, I'll make sure that's switched off so there's no live coming through. Basically that comes right through here into my battery charger. That comes through here, right in through another inline fuse straight into the battery, and then from the battery right up I've actually put another isolator switch on from the isolator switch down into this, and I've also connected up a wee fuse board here. So that means then if I need to put in 12 volt lights or whatever I need to put onto the system, that's already sitting there. Now I've kind of had to doctor this, and you can kind of see there's a Chinese dish over it. Yep, Chinese dish. That's just to protect that nothing knocks against that. I need to get a proper better cover, but in the meantime that's protected. all I'm really doing is, so the engine started, so if I turn this on, this should light up. So that'll charge coming through here, back out again into this battery, and then straight from the battery right up through again. I'll turn on this isolator switch, I'll switch on this, and then it tells me here 14.4 volts, 230 volts, 14.4 input, and this is the battery level here. First time I had one of these, so far so good. Again, I'm going to put a plug in here, run it up through, and run a few double sockets off it. So that's pretty much it.